Hey my peeps, let's make some easy snow cones for your tier trays with artificial snow. So I had some snow from around the holidays time, but I couldn't find it. But if you go to Hobby Lobby, in the miniature section, they have this small bag of artificial snow, and it's only $1.79, and you can make tons of snow cones with that. So now I got these cups from Dollar Tree. Now a regular 2-inch foam ball fits in there, but the only thing is that you can't use the kind from Dollar Tree. You have to use a smooth foam ball, because I tried it with the one from Dollar Tree and it wouldn't stick to the foam ball. Okay, so you need a smooth foam ball. You don't have to use what I used here, which is a fake cupcake. You can use a foam ball. So I took some paint. A couple of drops is all you need to color your artificial snow, because you still want to have a little bit of white so it looks like a snow cone. And then you're going to add some Mod Podge to that. Then you're going to get you some, you can use Mod Podge. I used tacky glue, and I spread it on top of my ball, so it makes the mixture easier to stick on to the foam ball. So you could try to put like a nice thick layer of the glue. Okay, so I took a spoon and then I just started scooping it on there, like smashing it down onto the foam ball, and then I just go around the whole ball and I do the same thing until I cover the whole ball. Okay, now try to smash it really good. You don't want to touch it with your fingers, because if you do, it's just going to come off. It's going to stick onto your finger. Okay, so I suggest you just spread it on there with your spoon and flatten it down and try to get it, as smooth as possible. And you should be okay with that. And make sure you get the little bits that hang over the edge, because you don't want it to hang over the edge. You kind of want it to just be right at the edge of the cup. And there you go. That's it. Simple. You can make them in any color you want for your tier tray. Easy, cheap. You can make tons. Make you some. Talk to you soon. Bye.